Alright, so here are the notes from day 1 and day 2, so 8.2 and 8.3. We started off with just evaluating expressions when we have given numbers for our variables. So we go ahead and plug in the numbers that correspond in the equation. So we have 7 times a, which is -4, plus 4 plus 3 times b, which is 5, minus 8. -4 plus 4 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. So we have 0 plus 3 times 5 is 15, minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. For number 2, we have a squared, the square root of a squared, which is -4 squared plus 9. And that's all that's under our square root, plus the absolute value of a, which is -4. So first I would go ahead and square this. This square root stays. -4 times -4 is positive 16. A negative times a negative is a positive. Plus 9, plus the absolute value is always positive. So that -4 is just going to turn into a positive 4. This becomes the square root of 25 plus 4, which becomes 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Okay, standard form is something that we're going to always be writing our answers in when we get, when we start doing what we're going to do down here. So standard form is largest to smallest degree. So you want to write x to the third plus 10x squared minus x plus 27 in order of the exponent degree. So it goes 3 to 2 to 1 to none. Okay, that's standard form. Okay, simplifying this, we want to combine like terms. So we want to combine terms that are the same. So this y squared and this y squared are the same. X squared and x are not the same, so we're going to leave it 7x squared. Combine our y's. 3 plus 2 is 5y squared minus 4x. We can go ahead and leave it like that. For number 4, we want to FOIL. Make sure that we pay attention to this negative for our second one. So foiling through, 3 times 2a is 6a, minus 3 times 5 is 15b. Make sure that we keep this negative attached to this 4. So -4 times 8a is minus 32a. -4 times 3b is minus 12b. -4 times 9 is minus 36. So we have an A, and then a B, and a B. So we combine our A's, we get -12 and 6, which is going to give us -6. That's not an A, sorry guys. So we have -32a and 6a. So -32 plus 6 is 16, -26, sorry. -26a. We have a -15b and a -12b, which is going to be -27b minus that lonesome 36. Okay, so just combining like terms. Solving for a variable, we want to get the variables together. I always like to keep them positive, so I'm going to add 5u to one side in order to make this positive. So I have -2 plus 2u equals -20. I'm going to add this 2 over because we want to get u by itself. So we get 2u equals -18, divide by 2, and we get u equals -9. Okay, solving this. Once again, we want to get x by itself, so we're going to subtract 8 over. We're left with x over -4 equals -3. Multiply everything by -4 to get rid of it in the denominator. had an unexpected pause there, but I don't know what's technically going on, or technologically going on. Anyways, so these go away. We get x equals -3 times -4 is +12. Solving and graphing the inequality. Once again, we want our like terms together, so we want 3x and 8x together, and then we want -1 and +14 together. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 over and subtract 3x over. So 8x minus 3x is 5x. This goes away. 5x is greater than, that went away. 14 plus 1 is 15. Divide by 5. And we get x is greater than 3. So then we're just going to draw a graph. Plot 3, an open circle, because it's greater than, not greater than or equal to. So if we have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, we get a closed circle. If we have these, we get an open circle. And it's greater than, so we're going in the positive direction.